Hi, good evening, sir. My name is Bhavani, daughter of Sandran, matric number A19A0084. I am 22 years old. My course is SAR and I am living at Taiping, Perak. My hobby is listening to music. Strategic entrepreneurship is designing and implementing entrepreneurial strategies to create wealth and innovation efforts to stay competitive. I'm going to be a businesswoman. In order to achieve my strategic plan for my career path is I need to get experience from joining any drop shipment business. I also need to enhance my communications skills so that I can get more customers. Besides, I have to join webinars that can enhance my knowledge about business. Moreover, I have to connect with many business people so that I know on how they're dealing with their business. Thank you.